Hey, everyone! Are you prepared to be amazed? In this video, I'm about to reveal some truly powerful websites you likely didn't even know existed. From discovering movies similar to your favorites, building stunning data visualizations, snagging the best deals, and keeping your inbox spam-free, I have got something for everyone. Plus, I share tips on keeping your food fresh and your devices secure. Let's begin. If you're like me and constantly searching for new films to watch, you've got to check out MovieMap. This website is a game changer. Imagine you've just finished watching Pulp Fiction and you're craving something with a similar vibe. Simply enter the movie title into MovieMap and voila! It'll show you a list of similar films to your favorite. The closer the names are to your search, the more alike they are. For instance, if you search for Pulp Fiction, you'll find that Fight Club is one of the top recommendations. How cool is that? Before going to our next website, smash the like button and subscribe to TechWhoop for more powerful websites. If you're in the market for new tech and want to ensure you're getting value for money, you must check out UserBenchmark.com. This website is a goldmine for comparing the performance of CPUs, GPUs, and more. For instance, let's say you're eyeing a new Dell laptop and you're torn between an i5 processor and an i7. Sure, the i7 has a higher number and a heftier price tag, but how much better is it really? That's where UserBenchmark comes in. You can simply paste the specs of both processors into the site, and it'll give you a clear comparison on a percentage basis. This way, you can see how much better the i7 is than the i5 and decide if that extra cost is worth it. Next up, let's explore a website for all you savvy shoppers out there, Keepa. If you've ever used Analyser, Keepa takes things up a notch. You can find some of the biggest discounts on Amazon right now, and the search function is top-notch. Let's say you're looking for a camera. Just do a quick search and select one from the list. You'll be presented with a detailed price history graph. This graph shows you the pricing trends over time, including the Amazon price, new, used, and warehouse deals. Want to focus just on the Amazon price? No problem, just select that option. You can see the highest and lowest prices the item is sold for, which is helpful in ensuring you're getting a good deal. But here's the best part, you can set up a price tracker. Simply move the slider to your desired price, say $75, and choose how you want to be notified, via email, a public tweet, or on Facebook. You'll get an alert once the price drops below your set point. With Keepa, you'll never miss out on a great deal again. Are you tired of giving out your email address only to be bombarded with spam? Say hello to 10minuteemail.com, your solution to a clutter-free inbox. This brilliant website provides you with a disposable email address that lasts for, you guessed it, 10 minutes. Imagine you're signing up for a service and they ask for your email. Instead of risking your main inbox, use a temporary email from 10-Minute Mail. For those precious 10 minutes, you can receive emails, forward messages, and even reply. It's perfect for those one-time verification or subscription emails. And the best part, the email address vanishes once the time is up, taking any potential spam. It's like magic, except for your email security. So you know where to go next time you need a quick throwaway email address. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with TechWhoop for more insights and tips. The next one is for the book lovers. Have you heard about PDFDrive? It's a goldmine for ebook downloads. When you visit their site, you'll see trending books right away. But that's just the start. You can search for specific titles or explore categories like technology, fiction, or self-help. Let's say you're into tech. Click on that category and you'll find lots of tech books. See something you like? Just click on the ebook to preview and download the PDF. You'll also see similar books you might enjoy. And the best part, PDFDrive is totally free, with no ads or download limits. Moving on, let me introduce you to Flourish. This incredible website allows you to transform your data into stunning animated graphs and charts that will capture your audience's attention. Whether you're working with bar charts, column charts, projection maps, or even 3D maps, Flourish has you covered with dozens of templates to choose from. But that's not all. Flourish also offers scatter maps, hierarchy charts, line chart races, heat maps, radar charts, and so much more. When you're finished creating your masterpiece, you can easily export and publish it, adding it directly to your Canva presentation. Next up, we have PrintFriendly. Have you ever tried to print a web page or turn it into a PDF, only to end up with a messy document full of empty spaces and unnecessary sections? With PrintFriendly, you can optimize any website for print and PDF format, ensuring a clean and pleasant reading experience. Let's say you found a web page you want to convert into a PDF. Instead of printing it directly and getting cluttered, you simply paste the URL into PrintFriendly. It works its magic by converting and compressing the content, making it look much better. But here's the cherry on top. You can delete any sections you don't need. Don't want that second picture? Hover over it and click to delete. When you are satisfied with the page's appearance, you can print, create a PDF, or even email it. This is incredibly convenient and ensures that your printed or digital documents are just as you want them. Moving on to the next website. If you've ever wondered how long you can keep that slice of cheesecake in your fridge, StillTasty has got you covered. This website has information regarding the shelf life of thousands of foods and beverages. Similar to Eat by Date, StillTasty lets you browse shelf life information by category. For instance, if you're curious about dairy and eggs, you can find a wealth of information organized alphabetically. However, if you're looking for something specific, I recommend using the search function on their homepage. You're wondering about the shelf life of cheesecake? Simply search for cheesecake, and you'll get options for both purchased commercially frozen and freshly baked homemade or bakery varieties. Plus, StillTasty offers handy tips to help you store your food properly. It's an incredibly useful site for keeping your food fresh and safe to eat. Next, let's talk about VirusTotal. VirusTotal is a web service that analyzes files and URLs for potential security threats. It's an essential tool for both individuals and businesses looking to safeguard their systems. VirusTotal can scan files and URLs using multiple antivirus engines. Whether you're about to download a file or visit a new website, VirusTotal provides a comprehensive analysis to ensure your system is not at risk. Using VirusTotal is super easy. Simply visit the website, upload the file you want to scan, or enter the URL you want to check. The platform then runs the file or URL through its extensive database of antivirus engines, providing you with a detailed report on potential threats. Once the scan is complete, you'll get a breakdown of the results, showing how many antivirus engines flag the file or URL. You can even get into specifics to understand the nature of the potential threat. VirusTotal is a powerful tool for making informed decisions about the safety of your online activities. And there you have it, folks. This was all about some of the most powerful websites that can revolutionize the way you navigate the online space. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to TechWhoop, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest tech tips, tricks, and treasures. Thank you for watching and continue exploring the power of the web.